Mr. Greg Millet is a Vice President and Director of Public Policy at AMFAR, the Foundation for AIDS Research. Mr. Millet is a well-published and nationally recognized epidemiologist researcher with significant experience working at the highest level of federal HIV policy development at both the White House and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC. From 2009 to 2011, Mr. Millet served as a detailee in the White House Office of National AIDS Policy as a senior policy advisor. In this role, he coordinated the office's policy and research activities, including HIV prevention policy and the federal-level interagency process to develop the National AIDS Strategy. Mr. Millet is one of three principal writers of President Obama's National HIV/AIDS Strategy. He served on the organizing committee for the Washington, D.C. conference and was a federal lead in organizing U.S. government and White House activities around the 2012 International AIDS Conference. Mr. Millet also worked on a diversity array of policy issues during his tenure at the White House, including the elimination of the HIV entry ban that prohibited HIV-positive persons from traveling to or seeking residency in the United States. Mr. Millet served as the HHS CDC liaison to the White House Office of National AIDS Policy. Mr. Millet has been honored with a scientific profile in the prestigious medical journal The Lancet in 2012, and he published two well-cited studies in The Lancet that same year. Mr. Millet has a Bachelor of Arts degree from Dartmouth College and a Master of Public Health degree from the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill. The Red Door Foundation salutes Mr. Greg Millet for his commitment to excellence and the advocacy in the fight against HIV and AIDS.